sure you've heard the news freelancing is booming. But it's not all coffee shops and flexible hours. Here's what you really need to know to get started right. Tip 1. Niche down. Find your specialty and own it. The more specific you are, the easier it is for clients to find you. Tip 2. Build a killer portfolio. Even if you're starting out, create sample work to showcase your skills. Tip 3. Network like crazy. Don't just wait for clients to come to you. Reach out, join forums, and connect with others in your field. Tip 4. Learn to price your services. Don't undervalue yourself. Research industry rates and charge what you're worth. And tip 5. Master your time. Set a schedule, respect your own boundaries, and don't let burnout sneak up on you. Freelancing isn't a walk in the park, but with these tips, you're already ahead of the game. Hit subscribe for more freelance hacks.